Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Alright, so let's go ahead right now and add the PayPal payment gateway. So here we are on the Shopify dashboard. Click on settings, then click on payments. Now here, you can find that Shopify has enabled me to activate Shopify payments, which is not the case for so many people, right? So if you're a beginner to Shopify, they might not show you this, but you can actually get it if you're serious about business. All you have to do, in my opinion, is to pay for that $1 for Shopify to trust you so that they can allow you to accept payments using Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, and others. Now, of course, some other payment options are available for you, which are PayPal and Amazon Pay. So because I know that not everyone can have access to Shopify payments, I'm going to scroll down and activate PayPal. So in order to complete the account setup, I can click Complete Account Setup, click Complete Setup. Basically, all I have to do right now is to enter my PayPal information, right? I'm going to click I'm not a robot here, just run this quick test, which they might give you from time to time, and then add your PayPal account. So right now we are successfully connected to Shopify and we can go ahead and accept payments. So next, let me go and show you how you can install this WhatsApp chat plus abandoned cart app.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.